So after drawing flat, boring, simple shapes, the next bit is all about making them three-dimensional, which is where SketchUp turns into something that we use a lot in design technology right the way through the school. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just delete that circle because I don't like it, and I'm going to delete, if you see at the moment, I've got this kind of piece of pie that's cut out because I've overlapped one circle onto that original floor. So if you click on the line, so I'm going to click this line here, and then just on my keyboard, the word that says delete, and it will just delete that part. And then there's a line here, and I'm going to delete that, and a line there that deletes that. To make sure that this is all one shape, that's what I want. I can check that by clicking, and if you now see, there are tons of little dots that shows I've selected it, and because I deleted those lines, it now selects the whole floor. If I click off, just show you again with the right mouse button, when I've got my select tool, it just shows that it's all selected. So I've now selected it, and I'm going to go down to this button here that says push pull. So it's that one there. Now this is where things start to get 3D. So I'm going to again click once with the left mouse button and let go. Can't stress that enough, guys. You have to click once and let go. And now I can create something going downwards. So this guy's got this weird kind of stage that he stood on. It can go the other way. So you can now be starting to be slowly smothered in quicksand. And I can just create the thickness that I want. And just click again, and once I've clicked again, it will go. Now the other thing I can do now is, because all of these separate edges are being selected, not the circle edge but these ones, I can then use the push pull tool to make them go out. It will also remove material, so all of a sudden he's standing on nothing, so it could make it so it's a bit spiky. I could try and move this in a little bit and then move that one out, and you get the idea. So we can now start to kind of redraw things just by playing with that. I can then add stuff on top, so I could draw a little circle here, go back to the push pull, and now he's got like a little bar to go and stand at. Or if I go the other way, the push pull tool not only adds material, but if I pull it down, it will come out the bottom. But if I only go and I touch it onto that bottom line, what it actually does is it hollows things out for me, so it creates this shape. So have a little play around, try and draw a few shapes, draw some new ones elsewhere. You can try and draw something on a wall if you want, and once you've got your single shape, you can then start to add other shapes in as well. So if you wanted to, I could now draw something here, and then use the push-pull tool, and now there's like a little table. So that is all about making things 3D.